guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, you can tell by the title of this video. Today we are talking about DIY photo books, most specifically for a wedding guest book. So guys, I am getting married in T-minus 2 months, okay? Well, actually not even 2 months. It's almost a month, which is insane. But anyways, go ahead and check out, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out some of my other wedding series type videos. Today we are talking about a guest book. We had so many photos from our engagement shoot, which I think I have a little bit of footage. I'll put that footage in here because it's so short. On our way to the engagement shoot. Woohoo! Money, say hello. Okay, great. Bye. Engagement shoot finished. Note to the girls, don't do it in January. It's freezing out here. We had so many photos from that shoot that I never got printed. So I was like, why don't I just use those for a guest book? And then we'll have a guest book and photo book all in one. Okay, yeah. So that landed us here with MixBook. Okay. This is the packaging that the book came in. I'm hiding my address here. But yeah, this is the packaging that the book came in, and here is the absolutely gorgeous book. I love it, love it, love it. It's perfect. Absolutely everything I was looking for. It's so easy to do. I'll show you on the screen here how easy it is to quickly make your own book. They already have templates set up, and then you can edit it based on your needs. The first 20 pages are what the set price is, and then every additional page I think is like around $1 and some change. Right here is a preview of the Greenery wedding guest book. I'm just kind of flipping through here so you guys can see what the template looks like. These are the options that you have, just square, portrait, or landscape. And there's a few other options there if you just scroll down to the screen. And now I'm kind of showing you all the templates that you have access to. You can either do the recommended, or you can just flip through the presets that are already there, and then you can upload your photos and place them in however you'd like. There's so many options. And you can see here that I'm just clicking around the pages to see how you can click different templates and pretty much make it whatever you want it to be. What I love about MixBook was that, and this is completely not sponsored, I just happened to find, I was going between this company and a couple other companies, so I said I'm gonna probably try a book from all the companies, not a guest book, but just photo books in general. And then if I find my favorite, maybe I'll do a video on my favorite. But so far I absolutely love this one. I chose the kind of matte covering here. This is the back cover, the matte covering, and then glossy pages. Glossy is standard, and I think matte is standard as well. But I'll do a quick flip through some of the pages to show you guys. This is just kind of the main landing page, and it can absolutely look different if you want it to, but it has like a little message here for your guests to read, and you put photos obviously everywhere you want. I didn't just want a plain guest book, because originally I wasn't even gonna do a guest book because I was like, I'm not gonna look at it. But if you have photos, you'll probably be more inclined to look at it. So basically this is what it looks like. You can put any kind of photo layout here, and then you have the guests can sign their name and where they traveled from here. And then there's several other pages, style of pages. There's like a collage page, and there's more signage here. And then people can leave you memories or messages. I just thought that was something different that I've never really seen when people actually do have a guest book. And most people don't even do guest books anymore, so whatever. I just thought, you know, why not use these pictures, and this would be a great way to utilize the photos. So this is basically what it looks like. I'm giving you a quick flip through. I love this design because our wedding colors are ivory, sage, and blush. So I thought this would incorporate the kind of sagey garden kind of feel that I was going for, greenery. And basically, y'all, that is the book. Like I said, And this came so quickly. I think I ordered it maybe last Thursday and I got it on Saturday, which is wild. I was expecting not to get it until for at least 5 to 7 days, I think is like the standard, but it got here so quick. I absolutely love the service that I had. I will leave the pricing here on the screen for this particular book. I think I had 21 pages, and I think with taxes, and shipping, they should give you free shipping, but whatever. I think with taxes and shipping, it was around $30 because I had a 50% off. I will leave a referral code down below. Obviously, that means I will get something out of it as well. But hey, if I'm telling you about it, can a girl get a little cash too? You know what I'm saying? So I think it's like $20 off or something like that. But you can also find 50% off coupons around the internet, or go to their site and it'll have something where if you sign up for emails, you can get 50% off. And then they run sales and everything throughout the year, just like most companies do that are kind of printing photo books. And obviously it's not just for weddings, it's for holidays, it's for travel photo books. They have all the things that most of those major photo brands, but at a very reasonable price. I'm so happy with this photo book. Like I saw it like on the ground, and I just randomly opened the door and I'm like, oh, it's her! And I opened it. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just love it so much. This was like one of the fun things of wedding planning, like being able to be creative and not have to like think about timelines and who's coming, who's not coming, all that kind of crazy stuff that drives brides and grooms crazy. This was actually a fun part of wedding planning and preparation. So if you guys need some kind of creative outlet, definitely look into one of these and maybe just get one for your engagement photos and not even for a guest book. And also it'd be a great present for grandparents too for Christmas. The possibilities are endless. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out all my other wedding series videos. I'll leave a couple right here, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.